Watch the CUI 38. Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We done made it to this first appointment out here, man, out here in Green Hills, Burton Hills, Tennessee. And right now we're doing this Jeep Wrangler, and if you look at the front of this thing, man, you can see it's riddled with bugs, pretty dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and work on this exterior of the car. Now, the exterior of these cars is really shitty as hell, man. So like I said, we're gonna get this exterior done. We already got the interior of the car completely done. It was pretty dirty in here. Like I said, this plastic they use on the car nowadays is pretty terrible. It gets real ashy fast, so I had to go in here and leather condition the whole inside. You even see the seats, cup holder, things like that. Really wasn't that bad like the other people who Jeep I do. They usually have dog hair everywhere. So yeah, but we're gonna get out here, work on this exterior. If you look at these wheels are pretty dirty. No wheel wells, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the exterior looking immaculate, and then we still got a few more appointments. I think we got 3 more cars to do after this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car knocked out, let y'all know what it looked like afterwards, but y'all see what it looked like now, and we're gonna go ahead and make that transformation. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail World YouTube. We finally got this Jeep Wrangler done, man. It took a little time, like I said, to get it done. We got here about 10 o'clock at 12:06, so it took us 2 hours to get it done. But like I said, we had to condition the interior. It's a little dry. Then, you know, this exterior of the car was pretty dirty. Y'all remember the wheels had a brownish grayish look, but we got the wheels back looking good, got the exterior looking immaculate. Y'all already know, because we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, like I always try to tell you, take pride in whatever you got going on. When you take pride in it, it's not even considered a job. It's just you doing what you love to do. So I'm about to head to my next stop. First, I'm gonna stop at Home Depot, pick up some stuff. Then I'm gonna head to my next stop. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Remember, consistency, persistent, and relentless beats everything. And remember, you gotta stay that. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We working on this third car at the same location right now after we did that Ford Bronco. Right now we're working on this 740. This BMW M5 Competition Performance Edition. Pretty cool car. I know y'all seen it 100 times. Y'all actually heard how it started up. Car sounds immaculate, man. But y'all like the exterior of the car. This car definitely keeps a very heavy coat of wheel brake dust, so we definitely gonna work on this exterior first. The interior not really that bad. Just a little typical debris in there. Door lock. Let me go here and unlock it. You can see it got the carbon fiber spoiler, but you see it inside really not that bad. That's basically where he sits at. He don't have any children or any pets in his car, so that's a great thing. So I still got 2 more cars to do after this, so I'm about to go ahead and hurry up and knock this out so I get to my next car. And then you know how that goes. Continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, y'all. Detail world. Y'all already know what it do, man. We done got this third car done today, which is this BMW. Like I said, the interior of the car wasn't bad at all. Really don't take much to get it done. But we got the whole car completely done in and out. About to stop and grab a little lunch. Before we go to this next stop, which is not too far from where I'm grabbing lunch from. But y'all already know, man, be consistent. Consistency beat everything. And remember, man, determination has to be in you. Not on you. But I'm gonna go ahead and park this car, let them know I'm done, get paid, and do what I do best, man. I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We doing this Land Rover Defender 110. If you see it, the car is dirty. Looked like it was raining dirt out the sky. But we're about to go ahead and work on the interior first. Exterior, we get to it after the interior. The interior always a little bad because he smokes it here. And I don't think he let down his window, so literally these cigarette ashes all through the car. So that makes the car a little bit harder to clean. And then, you know, got to get back here and vacuum the seats and just get the whole car overall done. Cup holder, you know, the whole entertainment system look dirty too. You know, you see it. That cigarette ashes everywhere, things of that nature. But y'all already know it makes the job easier that there's no carpet in the car, but then that also makes the car a little hard to clean because being no carpet, you gotta wipe down every increment of the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on this interior, get the exterior done afterwards. Still got one more car to do, which is a Chevy Tahoe, which shouldn't take that long to clean. Hope it don't, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on it. You keep doing what you have to do. And let me know, man. I know the views on this channel, man, it's iffy. You know, YouTube, I don't know what they want from me, man, to be honest with you. But regardless of the fact, I'm gonna continue to do what I have to do, regardless if the number's low or content for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car I already got to pull it out. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about, but I'm gonna go ahead and start y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do? What it do? What it do, man? We finally got this fourth car done of the day, which is Land Rover Discovery. Every time we do this car, it looks immaculate. That gold on black looks amazing. That's a great color scheme. But like I said, you know, the inside of the car, we're full of cigarette butts and things like that. I mean, cigarette ashes. We actually got all the cigarette ashes out. Got the car looking immaculate. He should be super enthused with the work like always, man, because y'all know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on in life. We still got one more car to do. It is approximately 4:52, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over there, get this car knocked out, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. All right, detail world. We finally got this last car done of the day, which is the Chevy Tahoe, man. Car came out well. Really not that bad, you know what I mean? She don't have any kids. She have a dog here and there, maybe some little dog prints here and there, but the car came out well. At approximately 6:21. We'll probably get home by 7 o'clock, man. But y'all already know once I get home, I start editing these videos and things like that. But y'all continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, man. Y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. Remember, love thyself, because you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself, man. So remember that, and you'll definitely make the progress that you want to make in life. Remember that. One love, love thyself, man, because ain't nobody else gonna love you. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace.
If I was on YouTube, watch the TY 38.